Two of the most talked about ways to launch a business in 2025, one big decision: which platform actually sets founders up for success? On the left, MyCorporation business formation made easy for everyone in the US. On the right, Stripe Atlas, helping founders launch their US startup from anywhere in the world. Let's skip the sales pitches and dive into what truly matters for your business journey. Each round earns points. At the end, you'll see who really takes the startup crown. The winner might not be the one you're expecting. Okay, before I get carried away, let me show you a quick mind map of what we're comparing. There's global accessibility, ease of incorporation and setup, pricing, structure and flexibility, extras and ecosystem, and last but not least, support and guidance. These are the things that really matter when you're choosing your launchpad right. Alright, first up, global accessibility. So MyCorporation is pretty tried and true for folks in the US. You get that boots-on-the-ground kinda help, physical filing, compliance, the classic stuff. And it's a big but, they mainly serve US-based entrepreneurs. If you're sitting somewhere in Europe or Asia thinking about launching, well, it starts to feel a bit limited. Now Stripe Atlas, this is where they swagger in. They don't care if you're nowhere near the US. You can be chilling on a beach in Bali and boom, Delaware C-Corp, US banking, Stripe payments, global access. Seriously, you don't even need a US address. Only catch: it's Delaware or nothing. So if you want Wyoming or Florida, sorry, but for going global, Stripe Atlas is kinda the obvious winner here. Next up, ease of incorporation and setup. With MyCorporation, you get solid help with paperwork, multiple business types, and they'll do filings for pretty much any state. For most US-based folks, it's neat and familiar. But for international founders, things start feeling less automatic. You gotta fill out more forms, answer more calls. It's, a bit old school. Stripe Atlas, on the other hand, honestly, it's slick. You sign up online, everything happens in one neat dashboard: docs, compliance, filings, even your EIN. It's like the Apple Store of incorporation. Only quirk: if you're not in the US, you can't get an LLC with Atlas, just corporations. But for pure speed and low friction, Stripe Atlas wins hands down. Now let's talk pricing. MyCorporation's prices start pretty low, like $99 plus your state fees, and you can kind of build your own package. It's easy on the wallet, especially for solo founders or side hustlers. The only thing, add-ons and extras sneak up on you: EIN, compliance, etc. So your bill can inflate if you're not careful. Stripe Atlas is way more upfront, $500 flat plus $100 a year, and most stuff is bundled. You do get perks like $5K in AWS credits, which is massive for techies. But look, it's pricier up front compared to typical US services. So for affordability, MyCorporation totally wins the pricing round. Wait, before we move on, did you know that Stripe Atlas founders get up to $5,000 in AWS credits and access to the Cooley document suite? If you're going after the big tech startup dream, that alone is kinda epic. Now on to structure and flexibility. MyCorporation plays this like an all-you-can-incorporate buffet. LLCs, C-Corp, S-Corp, DBAs, nonprofits, they offer tons of options. Plus, literally any state: Texas, California, whatever you pick. Downside, they don't bundle in payment processing by default. Now Stripe Atlas, it's laser-focused. Delaware C-Corp is the move, which is basically the Silicon Valley tech standard. Their templates are super streamlined, equity setup is fast, and you get pro-grade docs, Cooley forms now, which, if you know, you know. But it's not for everyone. If you need weird structures or states, Atlas isn't your guy. So yeah, on flexibility, MyCorporation edges ahead. Let's check out extras and ecosystem. With MyCorporation, you've got compliance reminders, business licenses, that kind of thing. They help you not forget those annual reports, which is a real thing. On the flip side, you won't get any founder meetups or startup crews. It's kind of a solo ride. Stripe Atlas though, oh, and here's something cool: you get a Stripe payment account instantly. Like, you can literally start selling online day one. Plus, you join their founder community, grab AWS credits, Mercury banking, legal dashboards, just all the startup perks. For international makers, these extras are honestly game changers. Stripe Atlas is the clear winner for perks and the overall ecosystem vibe. Last up, support and guidance. MyCorporation's got responsive US-based support, phones, chat, all that. For regular stuff, it's on point. The catch? a few mixed reviews, especially for overseas or more complex cases. Stripe Atlas, meanwhile, has this global founder community, a beefy knowledge base, and yeah, they're pretty quick to respond. Some folks say replies are slow on rare occasions or their account gets held, which, yikes, but overall, you get way more networking and peer support. Stripe Atlas takes this one too. If we line these two up on a radar chart, Stripe Atlas is basically outpacing MyCorporation for global reach, ease of setup, founder perks, and support. MyCorporation holds its ground with affordable pricing and lots of business structure choices, but Stripe Atlas just feels built for startups and scale. So here's my honest take for 2025. Stripe Atlas just hits way more marks for global founders and anyone wanting the full tech startup package. Fast US setup, sweet payment integrations, and real community. But if you're US-based and your ideal journey is quirky, budget-conscious, or needs a different business type, MyCorporation is still a super reliable pick. So, which founder journey actually fits your dream? If you want simple US-only flexibility, go with MyCorporation. But if you're thinking global scale, tech startup vibes, and a smooth online experience, Stripe Atlas is seriously hard to beat. Your move.